friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics class 8 chapter 19 special type of quadrilaterals exercise 19D. Question number 5. PQR is a rhombus with angle SPR equals to 44 degrees. Find PSQ and PQR. So this is the rhombus and we have to find this angle, okay, PSQ and PQR. Okay, so what we're going to do first of all, we will construct the diagonals. PR is already there, you make PQ also. Fine. So let's connect. Fine. This is the diagonal PQ. Sorry, no, wait a second. This is QS. Okay. So we have constructed QS, that is the diagonal. The second diagonal PR was already there. Now look, what you have to find is PSQ and this entire part PQR. Okay, fine. Now look what you are supposed to do. See, angle SPR is equal to angle QRP or not? Angle SPR equals to angle QR and P. Yes, because SPR is 44, so QRP, it will also be 44 degrees or not? Why? Because it is alternate angles. These two angles are alternate to each other. So this is the first set of information we have taken out. Now we have to find two angles, okay? But for finding out the two angles, we will be using the property of the rhombus, which says that diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree and bisect the interior angles. Fine. This is the property of the diagonals of the rhombus, that says diagonals bisect each other at 90 degrees, right? And they bisect the interior angles of the rhombus. First, from here we can draw, if they bisect at 90 degree, then all of these angles are 90 degree. Fine. First thing, okay, that is our information. Now look, they bisect the interior angle. What does it mean? Suppose if this is one interior angle and a diagonal is touching this, and I say it is bisecting the angle, that means this part is equal to this part. Both the parts are equal to each other. That is what it means by bisecting the interior angles. Okay. So now look here. If one part is 44 degree, the other part will also be 44. And here also, if one part is 44 degree, the other half of it will also be 44 or not? Because it bisects the angles, so it divides them into two equal parts. So let's write it down. Angle SPR will be equal to SPR will be equal to RPQ. Fine. Same property, you can mention this property that I have written above. Fine. That means angle RP and Q will be 44 degrees. Okay. Angle RPQ. What is this? 44 degrees or not? Yes. Okay. Let's come to the other part, angle QRP. Okay, and therefore angle QRP, it will be equal to QRP will be equal to PRS, angle PRS. Fine. You just have to see what is opposite to this, the second half of this. If this is 44, then this much part, this much arc, it will form 44 angle. So angle P, R and S, it will be equal to 44 degrees or not? Yes. So this is 44, this one will also become 44. Fine. Okay. Now you can see we have to find angle P, S and Q. This is what you have to find. So look here. In triangle, let's mark this center point here as what? O. So POS, in triangle POS. What triangle am I choosing? I am choosing this triangle, right? This triangle. So watch it here carefully. Angle SPO plus angle POS plus angle OSP or PSO, whatever you want to write, OSP, or rather what, OSP, fine, that's what you have got. Okay, SPO, POS, this part, and OSP, their sum will be equal to 180 degrees because angle sum property of triangles says all the three angles add up to 180 degrees. So SPO, this part, it is 44 degree, right? See, SPR it is, but you can call it SPO also, it will not have any problem, fine. So look here, what will happen? SPO 44, POS, it's a right angle, you can see, so 90 plus angle OS and P. Okay, so OSP, right, that is 180 degrees. So 90 44, that is 4, and 134 plus angle OSP is equal to 180 degrees. Let's solve this. Angle OSP is equal to 180 minus 134. Angle OSP will be equal to what? 6, 7 minus 3, 4, 46 degrees. Therefore, you can write down, see, OSP is this thing, right? This angle, it is OSP. If I say QSP or rather PSQ, will it be same? Yes. And therefore, angle PSQ will also be equal to 46 degree because it is the same thing, right? It is what? See, let's say it this way. P, S and O, it has come out to be 46 degrees. So P, S and Q will also be 46 degree or not? We are just increasing the length of the arm. The angle is not shifting. So that means the value will not also change. So angle PSQ is equal to 46 degrees, right? Now write it down over here. Angle PSR will be equal to 2 into 46, fine. So look here. Angle PSR will be equal to 12 and 1 carried over, so 92 degrees. This whole part, it is 92 degrees. So it will just be what? Opposite to angle PQR or not? Angle PSR will be equal to angle PQR or not? Yes, because in rhombus opposite angles are equal. When this is my figure, fine, and this I know, that is 92 degrees. So this will also be 92 degrees. So that is what I am telling you. So therefore, from here we can conclude finally that angle PQR will be equal to 92 degrees as well, because PSR is 92, so PQR will also be 92. And here, from here you can take angle PS and Q, that is 46 degrees. Both of these are the final answers, right? We were asked to find these two angles only, so that is our answer, fine. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and